Eden Bliss. Now, after driving on the long road through St. Mary, we come onto this wonderful landscape, dipping down into a leveled area that we can see. Down there, you'll witness a wonderful river, an area that you can party, an area that you can cook. It's indeed a wonderful space. Now, Jamaica has a lot to offer, and I think not many Jamaicans know about this place because they just don't know. But it is cool. You went up in the hills and you came down to a wonderful plateau, I would say. Now, I'm going to take you on a journey because this is where I think many people would want to come at a point in time. But let us remind ourselves that Jamaica has so much to offer. Whether you are looking at a breadfruit tree over there, laden with breadfruit coming in after Melissa, to a wonderful space of greenery. It has a river, and I want to know more about this space because I think this space has a sort of history where I'm going to interview someone at this point in time for her to give me an overview of what the property is about, or about the property, the history. A little more about the history is important for us. So I'm going to talk to her and I'm going to interview her.
This place was a property.
Was a property before?
Yeah, before, and then the government cut it up.
The government cut up this property?
Cut it up and sent it to farmers.
So you are a farmer?
Yeah, I'm a registered farmer.
Registered farmer? What do you mean registered farmer?
Registered with RADA and JAS.
Okay. So what you used to plant on this property before?
I used to do chow and onion, banana, plantain and pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes.
So how did you become, because it's an attraction, it's a beautiful space that I think people don't know about.
Yes.
What made you decide to kind of make it into a sort of attraction?
No, well, I'm a farmer. After my father died, I took it over from my father. So I carried on, right, until I retired, turned it over to my daughter. My daughter started until she retired, she turned it over to her.
Your daughter retired, turned it over to her son?
Her son.
That is what you call generational movement, right? You don't give up anything, right? Which is beautiful.
Yeah, but my grandson now, him don't do the farming because right here, all I hear was pop chow. Down there was pure onion. If you can go up there, see a pineapple walk up there.
Wow, up there?
Yeah. About half acre of pineapple I have up there. And the banana. We do a lot of fruit tree. But my grandson turned it into this now.
But I think it's nice because I'm sharing part of Jamaica, right?
Yes.
And I think that's beautiful to share part of Jamaica, to be on a sort of thing that if you promote it, you'd have more people here.
Yes, true,
you understand?
true.
So tell him that he needs to promote it. We're going to put this on YouTube. A lot of people are going to want to know where the location is.
Yes.
So you can tell your son at some point, text me the information, I put it in there. But I think it's beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, and you are sharing part of Jamaica that people want. And you know what? I see them use the rivers, but I realize they don't clean up when they finish.
No.
You know? And that is what we have to do, clean up after the stuff, right?
No, what me do now, after the party, tomorrow morning I come very early and do the cleaning.
Morning, sir, morning.
Yes,
Morning. How are you doing? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so you come in and you do that sort of stuff.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I want the information to drop so if people want to book, they know where to book.
And I say so talk to my grandson.
Yeah, man. So So I'll exchange number with your grandson.
Yes.
So at least him can, All right.